Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open notification panel, and somewhere here, if you wanna just add some of icons here or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, just click here on this edit icon. And now let's scroll a little bit down, and here we can see invisible icons. If you want to add, for example, the microphone access icon to the notification panel, hold it and drag it to this up section. By this way, if you want, you can add here all of these icons, also the wallet, for example. If you want to remove some of these icons, by the same way, hold it and drag it here to this down section. And to change the icons positions, just hold icon and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. To save the changes, just go back here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.